Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kobean History. I recently realized that I still have a video left from my Bruges trip which happened 4 years ago that I hadn't uploaded. So today we'll be taking a little tour through a brewery museum in Bruges recorded 4 years ago. When you entered you came in this little room and those portraits on the wall were the family who owns the brewery. So each of the generations tells the history of their time in the brewery. Here you see all the ingredients which are in the beer, and then you can follow the lines on the floor and it will bring you to the areas with some more explanation. So now we'll be following the hops. What'd you find, Lucia?
This one here is 18 plus at the bottom, and it's saying how it's related to marijuana. These are the hops here.
This brewery is located in the center of Bruges, like within the inner canal ring, so through the windows you also have some good views of the city, as you'll see later on in the video as well.
Thanks to these ingredients, lambic Kobean open air ferments spontaneously, without need for added yeast. So here we brew dark beer and blend it with lambic. Then this mixture will mature and be used to create a complex taste like the one from. In the next room, in the heart of the brewery, you will discover how Burgundy fathers brewed.
Here you can also see the old copper vats which were used to brew the beer. And here they have a little video with a reconstruction of how the courtyard outside might have looked at the time. Nice little.
You can see the Belgium tower as well.
So with the brewery, the museum is at the top floor, but the bottom floor is still a working brewery. So you can actually have some peeks into the brewing process that's going on as we are walking through. Oh.
Look to the east.
Yes, the yeast. We can see them making the beer. In the next room we'll see some old-timey machinery that was used, and I'll let past Kobe explain what he sees there. Here this is a filter. You can see a little video here. And I press it together, and then they let the beer flow through. And this is to cool it down. And here you got, I think, filling. Or cleaning the bottles maybe. And this one is filling the bottles.
See you downstairs.
This is filling the bottles. Some more tools. I think this is closing them. And then this device was used to carry the kegs and barrels. Lucia is learning how to make the right beer, how to serve it.
There's too much foam in that. No, I'm not finished.
You tried. Are you gonna use my ticket as well?
Yeah.
Okay. You can do it, Lucia, I believe in you.
It's just intense.
It's intense.
What?
Seems to, no, oh no.
Trying to wreck my perfect score.
Even though over here you're missing the glass. Oh, now it's good, yeah. You can do it. So intense. I think you passed.
I don't think I did.
That looks good.
55%?
You passed.
No, this is a fast brew.
You fast
I don't want,
Lucia.
the fasting's 100%.
100%. Lucia wants to get the best
I'm not
score.
going to get 100%, I want to keep doing this.
I don't. Yeah, we used all the tries. It goes in this making beer.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, is this the picture? So now we've gone down the stairs. This is the yeast that which we saw from above, and they have like a lab for the flavor testing, I'm assuming. More beer tastings, Lucia.
this is how my day was in the game, so I'd say I only get 55%.
It's okay. It's okay. Some more bird tours. Lucia thinks I'm gonna drop my camera. Oh, did you try the beer?
No.
Oh, wanna try it? It's not a fruity one.
It's quite hoppy.
Hoppy.
I don't mind it.
Okay, let's does it have a nice glass?
It's a personalised glass.
I will try the beer as well. Oh, it's quite nice. It's good that we didn't get the boat tour earlier.
Literally hailing.
Later, I mean. Yeah.
God.
Good call for having the boat tour this morning,
I said
Lucia.
it was going to rain and then it wasn't going to rain and now
Now it's hailing.
now it's hailing. It's hitting the clear.
Little hailstone. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to have a look back in time, I'll put the Bruges playlist on screen right now, which also has some other videos that we recorded while we were in Bruges. I'd like to thank my patrons for their support, especially my $25 patrons G. David and Parker Dye.